Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the AirPods 4 here. These are the AirPods 4 ANC. This will apply to any AirPods that if you have an Android device and you would like to pair your Android device with these AirPods. Now of course, most cases people be using their AirPods with Apple devices, but just in case you have an Android device, it still can be paired with your Samsung Galaxy device. That includes any Samsung, including the Ultras. So this is my Samsung Galaxy Ultra. All right, so of course, here we go. So in order to place this into pairing mode, we're gonna go ahead guys, and what we're gonna do is we can go ahead and open up Bluetooth. So you can actually launch Bluetooth. So you can long press if you want. And then once you long press the text, go ahead and turn it on. Next, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna open these up. Then you're gonna double tap. All right, so once you double tap, it will change to white, and this indicates that it's sending out a Bluetooth signal. So remember, the case needs to be open, double tap, and of course, so you place them into pairing mode. Once you place them into pairing mode, you need to go ahead and search. So make sure that your device is searching. So as you can see here, my device is actually searching, and it's still in pairing mode, indicated by the white soft LED. In normal mode, your device will simply go ahead and be in green, but of course you need to search for a device. So here it says scan for nearby devices, or scanning for nearby devices. So it's searching. Make sure you keep it in range, and of course it might take a little while, but it will actually search and it should find your device as it's now broadcasting a Bluetooth signal. So simply wait until it appears, then we're going to select it. All right, if for some reason it still doesn't appear, you're going to go to settings. Once you're in settings at the top of the menu, go ahead and turn on or tap on your Bluetooth. Go ahead again, close it and open it back. And then of course, double tap again. All right. And if it stops, simply double tap. There's glowing, it's glowing white. It says no device is found. So turn it off. All right, I'm going to turn it on. This time, you can go ahead and hit scan. Notice it's scanning. If it's not scanning, just go ahead and hit scan. All right, so I didn't find it this time. I'm going to scan again. So here we go, it has found it. Notice it says AirPods, and it's a common issue for it might not to find it on the first go. I'm gonna hit tap and notice it says pairing. I'm gonna hit pair. And there you go. It says connected for calls and audio, and it says AirPods. Now you can see Bluetooth, it's connected. So now you can actually enjoy your AirPods on your Samsung Galaxy devices. All right, so note that if it doesn't appear first in the toggles, go into the main Bluetooth settings. And if it doesn't appear right away, do not worry. That's common. Simply keep scanning and make sure that this is blinking white. It will stop blinking as soon as it's detected. And the way to make it be discoverable, there's no button at the back anymore. If your device is one of those with the buttons, you can press that button to pair. But for these newer devices, as soon as you see green LED, when you open it up, go ahead and tap. All right, so these are now connected for audio, and I can actually enjoy music, make calls through them, and so on. All right, so, all right, guys. All right, so this is it. So it's now paired and everything is up. If you have any direct questions, you can ask them below. As always, guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, showing how to pair your AirPods, especially AirPods 4 ANC with your Samsung Galaxy device. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.